We at Troma refuse to waste money on extravagances like food. We trade it for screen credits, acting roles, and nudie photos of Lloyd. Although we don't have control over the vendors involved, we try to make sure that the team gets all its nutritional requirements each and every day. This cheeseburger bun is an excellent source of grains and exceptionally tasty. The cheese in this cheeseburger is a rich source of calcium, vitamins A and D, qualities that the dairy group are famous for. Quite delicious, too. Besides looking like a flying saucer, the meat on this cheeseburger provides you with your daily allowances of protein and fat, which helps keep my coat shiny and full. The pickles and ketchup on this cheeseburger, besides providing valuable nutrition, can also be arranged into a realistic smiley face so that you can combine the eating with the thrill of a kill. No, don't eat me, don't eat me. Ah, shut up. Don't eat me, don't eat me, don't eat me. In order to keep my girlish figure intact, after a long day of binging on delicious, nutritious cheeseburgers, I find it necessary to do a purge. And this is how you do it.